this is not magnetic. That's the one I want. Right. That's it. There's the back. So I don't know how you're gonna do. Maybe there's a new type of one of these.
SATA. It's a SATA drive.
But SATA's not going to be compatible with this anymore. It's a new something. I've never seen this before. I've never seen anything like it. New technology. Oh yeah, we have to do this, don't we?
Yeah, it's to come
this way.
My laptops are not good now, so they always
This
go
is
down.
not a laptop. This is a netbook.
Notebooks, they're all the same. They got a lifespan of about maybe 18 months, 19 months, and then they're done. They start crying. Do you know what I mean?
That's right. Well, you know they're building like this so that they can make more sales. Otherwise, if it lasted long,
it's a bit unfair though, isn't it, really?
We're making more business.
Do you know what I mean? Because most people have documents and important information on these kind of things.
This is it.
Sure.